Hi everyone, I'm going to show a little comparison between brands of a same car. That's basically the 1969 Plymouth. We have here 4 Plymouths. One is a Roadrunner and 3 other ones are GTXs. The only difference between a Roadrunner and GTX is GTX is a little bit more expensive, but they're basically the same car. High performance, full-size muscle cars. I like those Mopars a lot. The first one we have is this Greenlight 69 GTX, which is very well done. It's great. It features a lot of details you sometimes can't find in different brands. This is made by Greenlight, and with its usual high quality. You can see the big block in here. It features an opening hood with all front cast in the metal and the bumper cast in the chassis. It's all metal and it's very well done. The next two ones are Hot Wheels. They're 100% Hot Wheels, which are also very nice and very well done. The basic difference is Hot Wheels got those plastic parts such as this front and the rear, but the rest of the car is all metal. Hot Wheels also paint the chassis black and does some detailing here, which is nice. This car doesn't feature the rubber tires, but 100% Hot Wheels sometimes have rubber tires with a very high quality as well. Trim is also good. Proportions are correct. The model is correct and looks great. Same thing for this purple model, which is just a little bit different, but basically the same. Basically it's a different color, and this is a Hemi, the other one doesn't seem to be. It's a very nice car. And the last one is an M2. This one doesn't feature an open hood because it's a driver's collection, which is a simpler version, but still features rubber tires, white tires in the rear. This chassis here is made of plastic, but in the more expensive line the chassis is metal as well. And since it's a Roadrunner, it doesn't have a trim and a trunk lid. Bumpers are plastic, they're different parts. The hood is plastic, but this particular hood is plastic because it simulates the lift-off fiberglass hood, just like there used to be in a 69 Dodge Coronet 6-pack Super B. And it features a red interior that goes very well with the black. So, which one is best? In my opinion, my favorite one is the Greenlight. But because I like this car as a whole, I like them all. But I think Greenlight is slightly a little bit better than the other ones. But I'm sure that if you have any one of those 3 cars, you're not going to be disappointed. You're going to have very nice pieces in your collection. So, this is it. Please leave your comments, your like. Let me know your opinion about this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.